Okay guys, how is everyone doing? I'm over the Pendle Hills. It's not quite dark, very eerie area, lots of sightings of UFOs, strange lights in the skies around here. I was down Wales skywatching, lots of lights in the skies, definitely wasn't birds or bugs. I saw them with my naked eye, definitely weren't that. Don't know what they were, but all the comments are saying they've never seen so many satellites together, if that's what they was. A lot of people are thinking these weren't satellites. Do check the video out, I'll leave the link in the description. I'll be coming over here on Halloween, that should be interesting. So, gonna get on these mirrors. It's cloudy at the moment, it's forecast a bit of rain, a few clear skies. It's gonna do what it's gonna do, but you've got to get out to film anything, guys. So, if anyone's new to the channel, I'm Mick. What I do is go out over the mirrors and hills of Northern England and the coastline in different parts of the UK. I was down Wales a couple of weeks ago, filming the skies with good equipment. I use this Sionyx, I use Nikon P1000 and other Nightvision equipment, trying to get evidence unexplained things crossing them skies, UFOs, UAPs, call them what you want. Please do subscribe if you have subscribed already. Great, thank you very much. Always leave a comment, I'll always reply. Like the videos, it does help the algorithms. Anyway, let's get going. So windy, very windy. Just trying to get out this wind. It's so windy up here. The forecast said light winds go up the top of Pendle Hill. Like we are, you're going to get these strong winds. So we've got a light flashing up there, just a cyclist, you can see him from here. It's a wild night. Okay, that wind seems to be dropping a bit. We've got the moon rising, it's very, very low on the horizon, giving a lovely orange colour. Zoom right in with the Nikon P1000. I'll let this moon just go across the screen. I will cut the video a bit, otherwise you'll be watching this for 10 minutes. Okay, awesome stuff guys, loved zooming right into the moon, especially when it's like this. But when it is low on the horizon, you're never going to get detail. You need it right above your head to get detail in the moon. So whilst I'm waiting for it to clear up, I'm going to show you some footage I filmed in Wales. I have put this on the channel already, all these lights crossing the skies. There's a few different videos of different times and lights crossing the sky. The last video is a couple of lights seem to be tagging on together and then disappear. They all could well be satellites. I didn't check the app, I was out recording all night, but they're definitely not birds, bugs or bats, which some people have commented, and I know that because I could see them with my eyes, and up to a point I do know what I'm looking at, as does anyone who spends a lot of time skywatching. So possibly satellites, yeah, but I've never seen so many satellites together. So there's a few different videos running here. Definitely let me know what you think of this footage. Even people who comment and try and debunk everything have said it is interesting footage, so do let me know. sailing tonight, guys. I figured it's this windy that the tripod's never going to be steady when it's like this, so just hand hold them. I always see in videos I like filming the planes with so many sightings of things following planes, so you never know. So that wind's dropped a lot now, cleared up. You can see the Pleiades there, that's the Seven Sisters, and Jupiter. Lovely and clear, but definitely going a lot colder. Well, I'm hoping to get on this Sionyx tonight is the Northern Lights. A lot of people have been filming that over the UK, taking photographs. But at the minute, can't see anything. Maybe later. Very strange actually, because some nights you get absolute loads moving around other nights. Or hardly anything, and tonight there's not much at all so far. I'm hoping to get these Northern Lights, but you never know what is going to cross up there. Possibly be very faint Northern Lights in that direction. We're pointing straight north, straight over the moon. There's no villages and towns. The moon is set the opposite direction, and there's some light up there. Not sure. Keep my eye on it. So tonight, guys, very little moving across the skies, but that does make it interesting because some nights there's so much moving across there, other nights there's nothing, or the old satellites. But all my sky watches I'm going to upload because there may be something you see which I don't, which has happened a lot. So I'll leave you with some footage of the moon filmed through the Nikon P1000 the other night. Like I said, I love zooming up to the moon. You just never know what you're going to catch crossing. So there we go, guys. Enjoy this short video tonight. The sky's only cleared for a certain amount of time, but I'll be back out very soon filming them skies. If you can't get out, do get out. Get yourself some night vision equipment. Winter's coming, darker skies, bright constellations. I love filming them stars. You just never know what you're going to catch crossing them skies. You lot take care, guys, and if you do go out, stay safe out there. Speak soon.